Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this Samsung. Start by opening settings. Then you need to select sounds and vibration over here, and now you can click on the switcher next to vibrate while ringing. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also mute your device completely and leave only vibrations by tapping on vibrate over here. Then scroll down, select call vibration pattern and select one of the patterns for your incoming calls by clicking on the one that you want to set up and going back. Then you need to choose notification vibration pattern and do the same for your notifications. Over here, select vibration intensity and adjust intensity of touch interactions by swiping left or right. When you're done, go back and choose System Sound Vibration Control. Over here, you can click on the switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable vibrations for them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!